Hey everyone, so today I want to share my actual experience with cloud mining. And look, I've been involved in this space for several years now, and honestly, I need to tell you that right now, in 2026, the internet is absolutely flooded with scam. You really need to be extremely careful out there. So what I'm going to do is show you how everything works using this specific app as an example, demonstrate why this technology is genuinely groundbreaking when it's legitimate, and most importantly, teach you how to protect yourself from all these fraudulent platforms that are everywhere. I genuinely became really skeptical about the entire cloud mining industry because literally every corner of the internet seems dominated by scams. But yeah, I actually found ArcMine about 21 weeks back, and look, it remains the only platform I genuinely trust and recommend.
All right, so here I'm clicking Start Mining, and I'm going with BTC right now, though the platform actually handles mining for basically every major cryptocurrency: Ethereum, Solana, BNB, Tron, all the top coins. But Bitcoin's what I'm choosing today. Hitting Continue now. Perfect. So here I need to add my receiving address, switching to my wallet, copying it, back to the app, and pasting it right here. Good. Now I'm setting hash rate power and mining speed. Basically, these parameters control how much processing capacity gets dedicated to your operation and how fast it runs. But here's the thing, this directly impacts your costs. So if I push these higher, I'll mine crypto faster, but the fees increase too. Next, I'm entering my target amount. This shows how much crypto I'm aiming to mine, the dollar value, and the estimated time frame. Okay, so now I'm launching the mining operation, and it's running. All the data is visible here: total time, power allocated, efficiency rates, everything's transparent. Let's wait a few minutes.
And there we go. I've successfully mined my tokens, so now I can withdraw it to my wallet. But important info. The platform requires the infrastructure fee paid before processing any withdrawal. Everything's broken down here. So here's the energy used, here are the server clusters that handled it, plus network transaction costs. So I'm copying this address. One sec, please. Back to the app, clicking I've sent the payment, and just waiting for the system to verify everything. So now, let me be straight up with you, because I got absolutely destroyed by scam platforms before finding ArcMine. Sharing this experience might help you avoid the same disaster. So roughly 14 months ago, I got sucked into this platform through aggressive marketing across YouTube and Telegram. They had sophisticated branding with fake partnership announcements from major crypto exchanges and professional video content. Looked incredibly legitimate on the surface. And when I tried withdrawing after 2 months of what looked like solid accumulated profits, everything instantly fell apart. They suddenly hit me with a claim that my account needed enhanced security clearance, requiring submission of extensive personal documentation: passport, driver's license, proof of residence, bank account verification, all this stuff that wasn't required initially. And being invested so heavily, I complied with everything thinking it was standard protocol. But after submitting all that sensitive information, they came back demanding a $110 regulatory compliance fee that supposedly needed to be paid before withdrawal processing could continue. But predictably, after that payment, support completely vanished. Stopped responding to any messages. My withdrawal remained permanently stuck, showing under compliance review. What fundamentally separates ArcMine from that nightmare is consistent, reliable withdrawal performance. I've withdrawn 20 times over 21 weeks, amounts varying from $18 to $315. Every single withdrawal has processed smoothly and reliably within 37 to 46 minutes consistently. Zero surprise fees beyond the clearly disclosed $30 infrastructure charge stated before you even begin, zero escalating verification requirements, zero support going silent. Just straightforward, dependable operation proving they're generating actual revenue from legitimate mining operations, not running some elaborate fraud scheme. So yeah, links in the pinned comment and description below. Start incredibly minimal, test withdrawals immediately, stay perpetually cautious, and share your honest, real experience in the comments after testing it yourself. Peace out.